PermaKote Plus offers a long-lasting, durable, and waterproofing seamless membrane designed specifically for flat roofs. It works on all well-draining flat roof substrates including TPO, EPDM, modified bitumen, and concrete as a limited ponding water elastomeric roof coating system. It can be brushed, rolled, or sprayed using an industrial airless paint sprayer for best application practices. Nationwide also offers supplemental products to consider on these types of projects, such as permapatch caulk and seam tapes to address roof penetrations and known failure points on these flat roof systems. PermaKote Plus incorporates energy-saving ceramics, effectively reducing heat transfer between the interior and exterior of your building. As a bright white reflective flat roof coating, it reduces surface temperatures of flat roofs and is also available in some colors. PermaKote Plus is a water-based acrylic, making it an eco-friendly and low VOC roof coating system and easy to work with. Soap and water cleanup ensures your equipment is ready for the next job. Contact us today to discuss your project and receive a material estimate.